friends, welcome back to my channel. Without mending any words, let's watch out the 5th episode of Infra Updates. Our first story is coming from the industrially robust state of Tamil Nadu. Dassault Systems has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to set up the Tamil Nadu Center of Advanced Manufacturing at Tidal Park in the city. TANCAM, a first of its kind center of excellence in India, would provide a dedicated IT engineering ecosystem to support the micro, small and medium enterprises sector, startups and the students, and enable the growth of industries such as aerospace, defense, automotive and electric vehicles. The center would have facilities for an engineering digital platform to support product design, composites, simulation and digital manufacturing, along with a 3D printer and virtual reality setup as well. It would provide upskilling opportunities to aspiring students, startups and to the micro and small medium enterprises sector. As a part of the collaboration, Dassault Systems would support Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation plan to focus on precision manufacturing that requires upgrading the skills of MSME through the center. The facility would facilitate mentorship and training of the students with dedicated domain training courses in aerospace, defense, automotive, electric vehicles and related industries. The TANCAM startup cell along with Dassault Systems 3D Experience Lab would fuel an innovation ecosystem for next generation products and new business models. TIDCO Chairman and Managing Director Pankaj Kumar Bansal stated that the collaboration with Dassault Systems to set up TANCAM would further equip the state with the latest technologies such as 3D Experience Platform to drive the commitment in upskilling and future-ready innovation through modern design and engineering solutions. Our second story is coming from the most thrilling and exciting region of Jammu and Kashmir. As Kashmir is gradually writing a beautiful script of development of late and making terrorism a thing of the past, plenty of mega projects are lined up in this integral union territory of India. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari last week inaugurated highway projects covering a total length of 257 km and worth 11,721 crore in Jammu and Kashmir. The projects involve the upgradation of some sections and construction of viaducts and tunnels. He went ahead with his announcement with construction of an intermodal station at Katra, which is the base camp of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi. It is a religious place and therefore the government plans to construct an intermodal station for which a proposal has been submitted to the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. The intermodal station will have a helipad, railway station and bus stand at the same place. The helipad will be on the rooftop of the structure. Also, he ensured that the station will be linked with the 650 km long Delhi-Katra expressway. The feasibility report has already been done. All in all, in the times to come, Jammu and Kashmir is all set to be connected with world-class roads which will attract tourists in large numbers. Moving to the third story, which is coming from the coast of Odisha, Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has decided to set up a 50 megawatt solar power plant in Odisha's Sambalpur district at a cost of Rs 301.92 crore as part of its goal to achieve carbon neutrality by 2024. This project will reduce carbon dioxide emission by 91,020 tons per annum and carbon offsets of around 24,824 tons per annum. The Sambalpur headquartered MCL has placed an order with a Chennai-based firm which will establish this green energy project within 10 months. The plant will cater to the captive power requirement of the MCL. The MCL has set a target of installing 182 megawatt of solar power by 2024 in order to become a net zero energy company, aligning itself to use cleaner forms of energy for coal production. The subsidiary of Coal India had earlier introduced environmentally friendly surface mining technology which contributes over 95% in coal production. As another environment-friendly initiative, the company has successfully introduced vertical ribbers for blastless overburden removal in Hingula and Kaniha open cast projects. The fourth story is coming from the world of 5G. The central government is looking to launch the 5G services by around 15th August in 2022. The spectrum auctions for the same might take place by April-May next year. Lately, Union Communications Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw held a review meeting with the officials of the Department of Telecommunication to understand if commercially launching the 5G services at specific locations and circles could be possible by Independence Day in 2022. 5G services could be initiated by the set time if DOT, which stands for Department of Telecommunications, offers clarity regarding the unencumbered spectrum that could be put through the auction process. An industry insider said that if these issues are sorted out at the earliest, telecom operators can place orders for equipment and make all the arrangements around rollout so that when auctions are conducted in April and May, telecoms are prepared to launch services within a short span of time. It is highly likely that 5G services will be launched by the last quarter of 2022 in limited locations of the country. Later, gradually it will be rolled out throughout the nation. Moving to the fifth story of the day, which is coming from Sikkim West Bengal rail line project. Yes, you heard it right. The 52-kilometer long rail line connecting Sevoke in West Bengal with Rangpo in Sikkim is now projected to be operational by December 2023. Construction of the rail line, which will have 6 stations, started in 2009 when West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was the railway minister. It was initially scheduled to be completed by 2015 but has been facing challenges due to difficult terrain and land-related hiccups which caused a delay in the project. The estimated cost of the project has also increased from 1,300 crore to over 5,000 crore. An official of the Indian Railway Construction Company, which is implementing the project, said that 30% of the work has been completed so far. Following the PM's push, approval from the West Bengal government came fast and the pace of digging of the tunnel has increased more than threefold in the past 6 months, from 300 meters a day to 1 kilometer, and is likely to touch 1.3 kilometer daily by December end. The progress in tunneling work is important considering that 86% of the project from Sevoke near Darjeeling to Rangpo in Sikkim comprises 14 tunnels. Out of the total 45 km, 38.6 km are tunnels. About 42 km of the rail line falls in West Bengal. The government has set December 2023 as the deadline for this crucial northeast connectivity project. Currently, Sikkim and Kalimpong districts are dependent solely on NH10A from Siliguri. The NH gets disrupted due to frequent landslides during monsoon, and traffic congestions are regular features from Sevoke to Rangpo. The new railway line will provide all-weather connectivity to Sikkim. This will also prove to be a big boost for tourism in the region and a strategic significance for the defense of the country as well. Also, if you want to watch the upcoming mega projects in Sikkim, then I have posted the link in the description. Do watch it. Coming to the next story of the day, which is coming from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Yotta Infrastructure announced that it will commence construction of 2 more data centers in the Greater Noida Data Center Park in January 2022. The 2 buildings will have a capacity of 30 megawatt IT load each and will be ready to go live in January 2024. The construction of the first of 6 data center buildings started in January 2021 and will go live for customer operations by July 2022 in a record time of less than 18 months. Once completed, it will have a capacity of 30 megawatt IT load. The Uttar Pradesh government in October 2020 gave approvals to the company to set up a 20-acre hyperscale data center park in Greater Noida. This will be the first data center park in the region, which will consist of 6 interconnected data center buildings offering 30,000 rack capacity, powered by more than 250 megawatt of power. The estimated cost to set up the park is approximately 7,000 crore. The project will also generate direct and indirect employment in Uttar Pradesh as the company expands its team to operate and build the data centers. Indeed, Uttar Pradesh has taken a giant leap to develop IT and data center park in the prime location of the nation. It will become the foundation stone for India's digital economy in the larger scheme of things. With this, we have come to the end of this episode of Infra Updates. I hope that you are liking the stories which are being covered under this special segment of Infra and Tech Updates. Do mention in the comment section about India's growth trajectory that's happening pan-nation. Thank you for watching this video till then. Jai Hind.